মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল মই হাই ছেকেণ্ডেৰী ছেকেণ্ড ইয়াৰৰ ইংলিছৰ নেৰেশ্যনখিনি 2013 পৰা 2025 লৈকে গোটেইখিনি সলভ কৰি দিছোঁ আৰু তোমালোকক বুজাই দিছোঁ। ভিডিঅ'টো প্লিজ তোমালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো চোৱাৰ পিছত লাইক কমেণ্ট কৰিবা আৰু ফ্ৰেণ্ডৰ মাজত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা আৰু মোৰ ভিডিঅ'ৰ চেনেলটো যদি প্ৰথম চাইছা মোৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ চেনেলটো তোমালোকে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা, নতুন নতুন ভিডিঅ' পাই থাকিবা। থ্যাংক ইউ। First 2013 A number question to diya ase, why aren't you wearing chapels? Interrogative. I asked one boy, asks is here present indefinite tense. My mother did not bring them down from the shelf. He answers simply. Reporting verb here present indefinite, reporting verb to present indefinite tense diya ase aru reported speech to diya ase interrogative sentence. Tale interrogative ki hobo? I asked one boy why he isn't wearing chapels, full stop. He answers simply that his mother did not bring them down from the shelf. B number question to ki diya ase, one day Mukesh told me that he would be motor mechanic and leave Firozabad. I asked him if he knew anything about cars. Mane eta diya ase assertive, eta diya ase interrogative. Tele ki hobo? One day Mukesh said to me, comma inverted comma, I shall be a motor mechanic and leave Firozabad. Full stop, inverted comma, close. Now that means direct. I said to him, comma inverted comma, do you know anything about cars? Question mark, inverted comma, close. 2014 A number question is given. A number question to diya ase direct ot. The lady said to the salesman, what is the price of this Barbie doll? Question mark, interrogative. Another question diya ase, the salesman said to her, it is a bit expensive, full stop, but I can give to you at least 20% discount. Then ki hobo indirect ot, the lady asked the salesman what the price of that Barbie doll was. Is to was hoy gol. The salesman replied to her that it was a bit expensive, but he could give it to her at a 20% discount. B number question to diya ase, one day Mohan told me that he would become a doctor and leave Assam, full stop. I asked him if he knew anything about medicine. Prothom to diya ase assertive, pisot to diya ase interrogative. Tenle ki hobo prothom to, one day Mohan said to me, comma inverted comma, I will become a doctor and leave Assam, full stop, inverted comma, close. Etu hoy gol assertive. Next interrogative to, I said to him, comma inverted comma, যদি if দিয়া আছে asked him if সেই কারণে কি হবে auxiliary শব্দ আরম্ভ হবে do, present indefinite tense. Do you know anything about medicine? Question mark, inverted comma, close. 2015 or A number question to কি দিয়া আছে interrogative. Where do you go every Sunday? I asked the girl, full stop. She replied, I go to the church. কি হবে indirect ot, I asked the girl where she, present indefinite to past indefinite হয়ে গল, I asked the girl where she went every Sunday, full stop. এইটো এটা হয়ে গল আৰু এটা হবো মানে assertive to interrogative. Assertive sentence to হবে এতিয়া indirect ot, she replied that she went to the church. B number question to দিছে 2015 or, the teacher asked Rumi if she had read the Bible, interrogative sentence. She replied that she hadn't. Then ki hobo direct ot, the teacher said to Rumi, comma inverted comma, have you read the Bible? Question mark, inverted comma, close. তারপরে assertive sentence to hobo, she said, comma inverted comma, no, comma, I haven't, full stop, inverted comma, close. 2016 A number question to diya ase, how long do you have to wait for your train? Interrogative sentence. The woman asked me about an hour, I replied. Then interrogative ki hobo, the woman asked me how long I had to wait for my train, full stop. Interrogative hobo, I replied that I had to wait about an hour. I replied that I had to wait about an hour. B number question, I asked Ranjan where Nina lived, full stop. It was a question, তারপর কি হবো কি দিয়ে আছে, Ranjan replied regretfully that he didn't know. আমি তো ইন্টারোগেটিভ ডাইরেক্ট করিলাম, I said to Ranjan, comma inverted comma, where does Nina live? Question mark, inverted comma, close. তাৰপিছত হ'ব Ranjan said comma inverted comma sorry I don't know full stop inverted comma close 2017 কি দি আছে কোৱেশ্চনটো এই নম্বৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো আমি চাওঁ the boy said to the teacher sir I am weak in English and seek your advice full stop inverted comma close এইটো এটা দি আছে তাৰপিছত দি আছে imperative sentence read the text thoroughly and try to express your ideas in simple correct English said the teacher তেনেহ'লে কি হ'ব ইনডাইৰেক্টত the boy told the teacher that he was weak in English and seek to কি হ'ব sought his advice full stop এইটো এটা হৈ গ'ল আৰু এটা the teacher advised him imperative sentence the teacher advised him to read the text thoroughly and try to express his ideas in simple correct English B number question to দিয়া আছে my friend told me that he was very thirsty and requested me to give him a glass of water assertive sentence আৰু এটা হল imperative sentence দুটা দিয়া আছে ইনডাইৰেক্টত ডাইৰেক্টত কি হ'ব my friend said to me comma inverted comma I am very thirsty full stop তাৰপিছত imperative হ'ব please give me a glass of water full stop inverted comma close 2018 A number question to কি দিয়া আছে the speaker said I thank you ladies and gentlemen comma for giving me a kind hearing full stop eto eta sentence assertive etia dise aru eta interrogative dise when I arrived here yesterday I did not believe that I might meet so large a gathering full stop inverted comma close দুটা দিয়া আছে এটা আছে interrogative এটা আছে assertive তেনেহলে কি হবে interrogative to the speaker thanked the ladies and gentlemen for giving him a kind hearing full stop এখিনি হৈ গল তাৰ পিছত হ'ব he also added that when he arrived here to hobo there when he arrived there the previous day he did not believe that he might so large a gathering full stop 2018 or B number question to ami saw his mother exclaimed exclamatory sentence his mother exclaimed in sorrow that she had not a bit of bread to give him and that he had eaten up all the provisions she had in the house the previous day ঠিক আছে এটা exclamatory sentence দিয়া আছে ডাইরেক্টত কি হ'ব his mother said comma inverted comma alas sign of exclamation mark তাৰপিছত লিখিব লাগিব I have not a bit of bread to give you full stop you ate up all the provisions I had in the house yesterday full stop inverted comma close 2019 or A number question to কি দিয়া আছে Rina said to the boy comma inverted comma what is the matter interrogative why are you crying interrogative be cheerful imperative দুটা interrogative এটা imperative দিয়া আছে ঠিক আছে তো আমি এটা interrogate কৰো Rina asked the boy what the matter was is to কি হৈ গল was and why he was crying full stop এটা imperative হ'ব she also advised him to be cheerful full stop 2019 or B number question to ki diya ase the customer inquired interrogative sentence diya ase ha the customer inquired if he could get a garden roller in that shop the assistant respectfully replied that he would get it in the hardware department direct ki hobo the customer said comma inverted comma can I get a garden roller in that shop question mark inverted comma close the assistant said comma inverted comma sir comma you will get it in the hardware department full stop inverted comma close 2020 A number question to diya ase Alexander said to Porus comma inverted comma how do you desire to be treated interrogative sentence he answered like a king to ki hobe eto interrogative Alexander asked Porus how he desired to be treated full stop he answered that he desired to be treated like a king B number question to ki diya ase the boys exclaimed in joy that they had all passed the test and that they would celebrate their success in the next day eto diya ase exclamatory sentence ঠিক আছে এতিয়া আমি ডাইরেক্ট কৰো the boys said comma inverted comma hooray sign of exclamation mark we have all passed the test and we shall celebrate our success tomorrow. Full stop, inverted comma close. ঠিক আছে, এক্সক্লেমেটরি সেন্টেন্স হয় এটু। 2022 এ নাম্বার কোশ্চেনটা দিয়ে আছে, why aren't you wearing shoes? The teacher asked the girl. Interrogative sentence, my mother did not bring them down from the shelf. Please comma, inverted comma close. She answers simply. Reporting verb to present tense দিয়ে আছে। ইন্টারোগেটিভ হবো, the teacher asked the girl why she is not wearing shoes. Full stop. She answers simply that her mother did not bring them down from the shelf. B number question to দিয়ে আছে, I asked my friend why he looked so sad. He replied that his father was seriously ill and there was little hope for his recovery. Direct hobo, I said to my friend, comma inverted comma, why do you look so sad? Question mark inverted comma close. He said, comma inverted comma, my father is seriously ill. Full stop. There is little hope for his recovery. Full stop, inverted comma close. ঠিক আছে। 3 number question, my friend said to me, comma inverted comma, I am very thirsty. Full stop. Please give me a glass of water. Full stop, inverted comma close. এটা assertive, এটা imperative। তাহলে ইন্ডিয়াত কি হবে? My friend told me that he was very thirsty and requested me to give him a glass of water. Full stop. Indirect হয়ে গেল। D number 2, Rina asked the boy what the matter was and why he was crying. Full stop. She also advised him to be cheerful. এটা interrogative, এটা imperative। তাহলে কি হবে ডাইরেক্ট? Rina said to the boy, comma inverted comma, what is the matter? Question mark, এটা হল। আর এটা, why are you crying? Question mark, তারপর হবে imperative, be cheerful. Full stop, inverted comma close. 2023 A number question to দিয়ে আছে, the gentleman said to the salesman, what is the price of this dictionary? Question mark inverted comma close. The salesman said to him, comma inverted comma, it is a bit expensive. Full stop, but I can give it to you at a 10% discount. Full stop, inverted comma close. এতে আমি ডাইরেক্ট করো, the gentleman asked the salesman what the price of that dictionary was. Full stop. The salesman replied that it was a bit expensive, but he could give that to him at a 10% discount. Full stop. B number question, I asked the old lady where Professor Sharma lived. Full stop. The lady replied regretfully that she did not know. Direct hobo, I said to the old lady, comma inverted comma, where does Professor Sharma live? Question mark inverted comma close. The lady said, comma inverted comma, sorry, I don't know. Full stop, inverted comma close. 2023 C number question to this, the girl said to the teacher, comma inverted comma, madam, comma, I am weak in English and seek your advice. Full stop, inverted comma close. The teacher said, comma inverted comma, read the text thoroughly and try to express your ideas in simple correct English. Full stop, inverted comma close. এটা assertive, এটা imperative. Interrogative hobo, addressing madam, the girl told the teacher that she was weak in English and sought her advice. Full stop. The teacher advised to read the text thoroughly and try to express her ideas in simple correct English. D number question, let's buy some milk and prepare milkshake for us, comma, said Aruna. The milkshake we are drinking now is utterly tasteless. Interrogative hobo, Aruna suggested that they should buy some milk and prepare a milkshake they were drinking now together then was utterly tasteless. ঠিক আছে, এটা ইম্পারেটিভ সেন্টেন্স হয়, লেটস দিয়ে আরম্ভ হয়েছে, ইন্টারগেট কী হবে, সাজেস্টেড দ্যাট। ভালকৈ বুঝি ল'বা নেৰেশ্যনটো, ঠিক আছে, আৰু লিখি ল'বা কপিত। 2024ত 3টা কুৱেশ্যন দিছে, যিকোনো 2টা লিখিব লাগে। A number কুৱেশ্যনটো কি দিছে, M. Hamel said, my children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. Full stop. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. Full stop, inverted comma close. তাহলে বেশিবত কি হবো, M. Hamel informed his children that that was the last lesson he would give them. Full stop. He further said that an order had come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. B number question to কি দিয়ে আছে, Aditi asks Raju if his sister was at home, full stop. Raju replied that she was not, full stop. She had gone shopping with their mother. Then direct ki hobo? Aditi said to Raj, comma inverted comma, Raj not Raju, comma inverted comma, is your sister at home? Question mark inverted comma close. She is not, comma full stop. She has gone shopping with our mother. Direct. C number question to diya ase. He said to me, how long will you stay here? Question mark inverted comma close. I replied that I would stay for a week. Direct hobo. He asked me how long I would stay there. Full stop. I said comma inverted comma, I shall stay for a week. Full stop. Inverted comma close. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল কোৱেশ্চনবিলাক লিখি ল'ব কপিত ঠিক আছে লাষ্ট কোৱেশ্চন 2025 হাই সেকেন্ডাৰী তিনটা কোৱেশ্চন দিছে ঠিক আছে মই কৈ আছো he said to the boys comma inverted comma let us start at once full stop otherwise we may miss the train full stop inverted comma close direct indirect hobo imperative sentence jehetu he suggested to the boys that they should start at once, comma, otherwise they might miss the train. Khub house narration etu. B number 2. Bimal told Gopal that he was the first boy in the class and he would remain so till he left the school. Indirect se direct hobo. Bimal said to Gopal, comma inverted comma, you are the first boy in the class and you will remain so till you leave the class. Full stop. ठीक है inverted comma close. Inverted comma तो उठा नहीं typing होत हाँ inverted comma होबो. C number question. Macbeth asked his wife whether she heard a noise. She said to him, comma inverted comma, go back and wash your hands. एटू जेतु sentence to অলপ C number to অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ দিছে sentence to हाँ I mean মানে পুৰা sentence to হিচাপত কৰিব লাগিব. এটু indirect আছে আমাক indirect কৰিব লাগিব নহলে narration to ভুল হ'ব. Macbeth asked his wife whether she had heard a noise. Full stop. Past indefinite to past perfect hoy gol. She told him to go back and wash his hand. Full stop. মোৰ মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল মই আকৌ কৈ আছো যদি ভিডিঅটো প্ৰথম চাইছা মোৰ ভিডিঅটো লাইক কৰিবা কমেন্ট কৰিবা কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কবা আৰু তোমালোকৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডৰ মাজত ভিডিঅ'খিনি শেয়াৰ কৰিবা আৰু যদি প্ৰথম চাইছা ভিডিঅ'টো মোৰ চেনেলত যোগেদি আৰু নতুন নতুন ভিডিঅ' মই গোটেইখিনি হাই সেকেন্ডাৰী তোমাৰ নেৰেশন হল তাৰ পিছত টেন্স ভয়েস চেঞ্জ হ্যাঁ গোটেইখিনি